How I found success after 10 years in MLM network marketing space. Hello, my name is Dale LaCure. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I am so passionate about helping moms feel better, having more patience, have better health, and also find a way to make income from home so there can be a more peaceful household. So let's get to it. So I've been in the industry for many, many years. My first 10 years, I was going round and round and round and doing the same thing over and over, expecting a different result, right? The definition of insanity. Yes, that was me. So, what I have learned, which I would love to share with you because I so believe in the industry, is there are a couple of things that you really need to have in place in order to be successful in the MLM space. First of all, you have got to be passionate about the products that the company represents. If you love makeup, then do makeup. For me, I needed to do something that I felt compelled to do, that I feel a responsibility to do and to share. And the reason being, watching my daughter and the results that she had with our gut brain axis protocols, it was life changing for her. And then when I met more of the moms and more people that were experiencing life changing results in their mental well being, it was like I felt like this was my responsibility to share this information with the world. Basically, we are a global company and we are expanding very, very rapidly right now because people are seeking out natural solutions for mental wellness. So that brings me to my next point, which is, are the products something that people are looking for? Are the products something that people want and need? So that is really important. And are the products unique in the marketplace? Are there other products like Me Too products, like there's other products that are similar with our company, with the mental wellness company, Amari Global? Our products are patented, so no one can replicate what we are doing. We also have clinical studies to support the results that people are getting. So that is huge. Loving the products, knowing that the products work. Next thing that's super important is the timing of the company. Is the company a startup company or is the company a legacy company? So you want to be kind of not in either one of those positions, because when you have a startup company, there's a lot of failure, unfortunately, in this industry. But if a company gets to past those 5 years, which is when a company will typically go under if they're going to, you're in a safer spot. So you don't want to be in the company too early. And then if you're in a company too late, where everyone has heard about it, you're really also at a loss. Another really, really important thing, which I didn't have in my first 10 years, was a strategy and systems and training in place. So that is really, really important. In our team, we have training for TikTok, we have training for Instagram, Facebook, all sorts of different areas where you can really dig in and get the training and support that you need to build a successful business. So those are all really important points. The timing of the company, your connection to the products, whether that is something that you feel really compelled to share, that you feel really passionate about, that is super important to have in place, and the training and support. So the training and support has to be in place. So I encourage you to go into the description, click on and learn more about our company, where you're at in the industry. We are one of the top companies globally in the industry right now. This is the time to really, if you're looking for a company, you're looking for a home, you want to make income from home, and you want to also make an impact, I can't stress enough that this is the place to be. Reach out to me on Facebook and we can have a conversation and see if this looks good to you. All right, thank you for being here once again. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next video. I'll be sharing all sorts of information about the products as well as the opportunity.